right, so this is my solar street lamp. This is the solar panel. If you flip it over, it's got these things that you put your pole in. I've got to put that on the wall. This is the on and off switch. And so I'm going to take it inside and show you guys how it works. It's pretty hot. It's burning my finger right now. All right, so I'm just going to set it over like this. And it's kind of dark in here, right? So let me shut this door. Okay. By the way, this is the thing. I got to put this on the wall, and then this would go in here like this. You follow me? You got to loosen this part and then shove that in. And then that's on the wall, and then that lights up whatever's under it. So we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. See if this, oh, see, it's already, so this is the darkness. Let me turn off the light here so you guys get a better idea. There it is. So this is how much it's going to illuminate your area. So you can see, I'm just going to pick it up like this so you guys can see. So there, look, that's the illumination that you'll get from it, which is pretty good. So when we walk outside, this is what it's gonna illuminate. So that's pretty good. Now to turn it off, I just come to this button here, press it, and that turns it off. And you can see how dark it is. Let's turn it back on. I'm trying to find the button. Bam. So yeah, not bad, huh? So yeah, we're gonna put this outside. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, but I'm gonna be blinded. I better open the door first because it's dark in here. There we go. And now we'll turn this off. Okay, so that's it. And like I said, I've got to loosen these bolts on here. And then I put this, I can slide this on and then tighten those down. So what I'm thinking with this is that I'm going to put this on the wall with some big toggles. You know what I mean? So what I did was I took a pair of pliers and I just bent this like this, because it was too big to fit on this post, the 4x4. So what I'm thinking is if I put it right there, I'll drill a couple holes, lock it in, and it'll get full sun because you can see the sun's right there, right? So that should work. So this is what I'm thinking. Right here, put it on that 4x4. It'll illuminate the whole area here, plus it'll get sun all day. So it'll be charged up good. So now I just got to get the drill and drill some holes. Since this is pretty heavy duty, I'm going to use these big bolts, and I'm using a 1/2-inch ratchet to put them in. But first I got to drill a couple holes. I'm going to go with a fairly good sized bit, but not too big, because I want those threads to catch in the wood, that 4x4, 2x4 that's underneath the plastic. Look, this is a little bit smaller than this, so that should work for us. So we're going to leave these two here and we're going to go ahead and drill our holes. So I'm just going to mark it, right? I'm going to put it up and just get like an idea of where I want to put the hole. All right, so I got a mark there. Now I got to get one on this side. Now I got to kind of get this one here. All right, so I've got my 2 marks, and now I can just drill my holes. That's 1. 2. All right, I think we're good. Now we just got to put our bolts in. So it's righty-tighty, right? Here we go. See what happens. Shoot, I need more than 2 hands. I put the bolt inside of here. And then we just get it right here. And start cranking it. This is the hard part. Just getting it started. All right, looks good, right? Okay, we got that one started. Let's get the other one started, right? Let's see if you can see the other one here. I may have to speed this up because this is taking a while, isn't it? I don't think I'm going to need more than 2. These things are heavy duty. And if it doesn't work the way I want it to, I'll just put some white caulk in there. It's a workout, man. Bam, done. Now I gotta do the other one. Oh my God, that took forever. Yeah. All right. This one I got more leeway on. I can put a little bit more in. Well, it's starting to get stiff. I used the little shorties, but thick, you know, because I don't want to screw the wood up too much. Taking forever. And I think just two of them is going to be enough. Oh, look at those two butterflies. Oh my God. Two monarchs right there. Do you see that? They came right over us. All right, now that's on there. Pretty good, I gotta say. I don't think that's coming off. What do you guys think? I think that's good. So let's take a look at it. It's low enough that I won't hit my head, but if somebody's a little taller, it might. And so this, once I put the light on, should illuminate all this over here. So now I've got to loosen the bolts on the light. All right, let's do it. Okay, let's take a look and see what we got here. This is a 14. You're gonna need a 14. Get her in there. And we're backing it out, so we want to go to the left. So here we go. Oops. This one's in there tight. So the idea is that we've got to get this loose, so without popping these out, so that we can get the pole in here, you know what I mean? And then we'll tighten them down. I think we're pretty good there. Let's give it a try and see if it works. So let's go ahead and try slipping it on. So when I turn it backwards like this, the gravity should just pull that down. It should just set right on there. That's it right there. Now we just got to tighten it down. So to tighten it, I just flip it, and now we're going righty-tighty, right? And I'm going to go one, I'm a diagonal through that one, and I'm doing finger tight at first. It's not the best looking thing, but nobody comes on this side of the house, so this is really just a deterrent for robbers coming in through the gate trying to steal shit. So I'm not doing just one, I'm going right around and I'm doing each one a couple cranks, and then I come back and do the, here. That one's on. That one's good. That one's pretty good. Wow, it's taking a while. On. Yeah, all right, so that's it. So now I've got to press this. I'm going to get a little red light in there. That tells me that it's on. Okay, so the sensor's on now. Tonight we'll come out and see how well it works, if we like it or not. As you can see, I'm not going to hit it with my head unless I got really close here. And even here I miss it, so that's good. It would be nice if it was higher. But yeah, that's it right there. We'll see how she does. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like that. Peace out. Check out my shirt.